Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss the new chapter regarding general knowledge. Chapter number 30, Wit and Wisdom. Tales of the legendary courtiers and jesters are very popular in India. Courtiers and jesters in Hindi, they are called Darbari and Vidusha. They are equally popular in different parts of the world. They have been delighting people for centuries. These legendary people saved themselves and others from ticklish situations through their wit and wisdom. One by one, we will go through the clue which has given in this chapter, and according to that we are able to identify that particular courtier or jester. Now the first description has given to us for a particular courtier or jesters are: he was a minister in the court of Akbar the Great. He was very close to the emperor. He was not just a minister but also a confident counselor and trusted friend. What is the name of that courtier or jester? The name of that courtier is Birbal. Birbal is considered to be the greatest courtier and jester in the era of Akbar. Next has given to us point 2. He was one of the world's most famous funsters. It is not certain as to which country he belonged to, but just because of his wit, wisdom and humor, people of different countries claim him to be their compatriot. He did not enjoy royal patronage as he was down to earth of the masses. What is the name of that? The name of that courtier is Mullah Nasruddin. The name of that courtier is Mullah Nasruddin. Next has given to us, he was the court jester during the King Krishnadeva Rai's reign in Vijayanagar. He gained the confidence of the king and the people for his unique style of tackling problem, but he never had a ministerial state. What is the name of that courtier or jester? The name is Tenali Rama. The next has given to us, he was a king Krishnadeva Rai's chief minister. He had the unique ability to unveil the truth underlying the situations involving people at different levels, often with a touch of humor. What is the name of that courtier? The name of that courtier is Appaji Rao. That is the name of Appaji Rao. The fifth one has given to us, he was a judge during the reign of Chola's king in South India. He was very popular in judging those cases where direct evidence was absent. What is the name of that courtier? The name of that courtier is Maryada Raman. The name has given to us, that is called Maryada Raman. One did you know fact has also given to us. What we have in that? Did you know the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India lists the official language of Republic of India as per Article 344 1 and 351 of the Constitution of India. The 8th schedule gives the recognition to the 22 languages. That is the did you know fact has given to us. So from this chapter we come to know, once again I'll just quote the answers of the each point. In point number 1, the name of that person is Birbal. In point number 2, it was Mullah Nasruddin. In point number 3, it is Tenali Rama. In point number 4, it is Appaji Rao. And in 5th, it is Maryada Raman. So these are the famous name of the courtier and jesters. Now we will move on to the next chapter, and in next chapter we will discuss about the different games, which type of games we are going to play, what are the games we are going to what are the different type of games and in which country they are going to play. So chapter number 32, in which we want to identify the different countries where these games are belong, and that is come in the sports related general knowledge. Different games, the chapter number 32. The very first picture has given to us a form of martial art called Sambo. A form of martial art called Sambo. From which country it belongs? The name of that country is Russia. It is the name of the country is Russia. Next picture has given to us, it is known as a water polo. So from which country it belongs to? That means the origin of that country. So that water polo is considered to be the origin of the country is Hungary. Hungary is the name of the country from which it is originated. Next picture has given to us Capoeira. Capoeira is a martial art that combines dance, acrobatic and music. From which country it belongs? It belongs to Brazil. Next has given to us Chilean rodeo. Chilean rodeo is a rodeo game in which a team of 2 horse riders ride around a lap to stop a calf. So what is the name of that country from which it is originated? It is the name of the country is Chile. Chile is the country from which the Chilean rodeo is the game is played. Next has given to us Taekwondo. Taekwondo is a martial art that combines combat and self-defense technique. What is the name of the country of origin of this game? The name of that country is South Korea. Next has given to Cheria. Cheria is a traditional competitive event that combines horse riding, roping and cattle handling. What is the name of the country of the origin? The name is Mexico. This is the name of the country is Mexico. Point number 7 has given to us, and the picture shows to us that Pato. Pato is a game that is played on the horse back. It is a combination of polo and basketball. It is a combination of polo and basketball. What is the name of the country where it can belong and it can be played? That is the name of the country is Argentina. Once again, I just repeat the names of the country according to their origin. In point number 1, it is Russia, where we played the Sambo. Next has point number 2, the name of the country is Hungary, and where where water polo is originated. Third is capoeira, where the origin of the country is Brazil. Point number 4 is Chilean rodeo. Rodeo, it is the country called Chile. Next is Taekwondo, is originated from South Korea. Sixth is Chariar, is the traditional competitive event. The origin of that game is belong to Mexico. And the last one has given to us, that is Pato. Pato is belong to, the name of the country is Argentina. So these are the different games which is belong to the different countries. I hope you can understand. Thank you very much.